ka jing Yakob khwai dok kha bala panya daka DERT ka price kan don tangkawi bad yaw nong job ha kan ka competition NI daka tulop arphusan hajar man ubnai bad ka tarik kan dei khat sau tarik banai kos ara cara phun riu shisngi haswa jongka Independence Day kadon kapus kabalaj ha DERT laj umkra nong rimau shilong bad hang ne kadon tangkawe kapus kalong tik kumbah ka competition daki lak ngut kibriu kiban apply kiban penlut pisa ban Aisyah ka Sorkar henrei tang uwei uban yo ya kaneka kam tongin sengap ya kaneka notice ka advertisement application are hereby invited from candidate who are the citizens of India and residents of Meghalaya for one post multitasking staff ka kerteng jongka post ka balaj ha kaneka department kadeka multitasking staff pat ka donru tang ka we ka post pat ka tulop kandai arphusana jar shibnai bat ka last date pan apply kalong khat sau tarik panai agos arajar phun riu pat ka neka deiru ha ka sni to ding bat ka qualification jongkin apply kidai ban dep ya ka MSc ha ka noka subject pat ka percentage 90% bat kan donru 100% ka relaxation na ka banta ki ST pat ki SC kidai banton ya ka certificate computer application na ka noka institute bala dep itu bat ka minimum course ka dei lai banai bat ki don kamru ya ka experience minimum of 2 years of work in the field of research education or teaching in school college related institute nang ta kidai banton ya ka requisite skills for videography lane photography knowledge in using Microsoft Office and other relevant DTP computer software or tools nang ta kidai banton ru ka good communication and writing skills to write case studies and report must be willing to travel anywhere in the state of Meghalaya for extended periods but pila pan apply online lengba kineki link balabu hangne bat yaki application forms kiba shusen lengba ki emails lane ki weipat kin sasha reject lada phikwa pan apply sngobha lej ha kaneka official website jongka education department watla ngam daler bhaban batai henrei phi ki bakwa ban apply ngangai phi kham ler bhaban pule phareng sa pule bha na kaneka notification pat wat klet ya ka tarik ka last date khar sau tarik jong banai kos arachar arphon riu khublei sibun